dad. It's like I get emotional talking about her, but that we're just very proud of her, how she has grown up all these years. Don't like her back talking, but that's a typical teenager.
She grown up too fast for me. Remember, she was just like 1 year old, and now she's 15. And time is flying by. And just keep growing, I guess. But, teenagers, you know how they are. Love you.
We are proud of her and her schooling and who she's become a young lady. And we just were really happy that we were able to do this for her and share this magical day with her and her friends and family. It's magical, and we're like super excited and happy about today. Everything's so beautiful. So I hope that she really enjoys her day today, and that we love her so much and we're always going to be here for her. Really hope that she has the best time of her life today with her friends.
Damas y caballeros, muy buenas tardes, buenas noches, bienvenidos a cada uno de ustedes. Vamos a recibir la quinceañera. ¿Ya están preparados por allá? Muchísimas gracias, muchísimas gracias. La corte de honor. Vamos a hacer la primera llamada, Vamos a recibir con un fuerte aplauso a Luis y Ivonne Matías. Fuerte aplauso, que se escuche. A continuación vamos a recibir a la quinceañera. Por favor, nos pongamos todos de pie. Aisha Martínez. Una fecha inolvidable, especialmente para la quinceañera. Felicidades, Giselle, felicidades. A la quinceañera le pedimos que mire para el frente. Tenemos algo inesperado para ella. Vamos a recibirlo. Eso era la sorpresa por allá del joven José Luis, que le tenía preparado su quinceañera. Muy emocionada la quinceañera por su sorpresa, así es. Felicidades a ver a José Luis, que se tomó su tiempo, dejar su trabajo y venirse por acá a darle la sorpresa a Giselle, así es que ¡qué bonito!
I am very proud of you and I love you. We both do. We're so happy that you are becoming a woman at 15, and I can't believe that you have grown to be such a big girl. So we love you so much, Jean. I give you lots of hugs and kisses, and I can't wait for you to enjoy your night. It's one of a kind.
Eso, ahí tenemos a la abuela ya preparando la silla de la nieta para empezar ya como debe de ser la reina, la coronación.
Hola, mija, aquí estoy contigo. Estoy feliz de que son tus 15 años y te deseo lo mejor. Estoy de llorona ya porque te miras bien linda. Eres la cosa más hermosa que está dentro de nuestra familia. Te amo, mi amor. Besos.
You've had me wrapped around your finger since the day you were born. You're beautiful, baby, from the outside in. Chase your dreams, but always know the road that'll lead you home again. Go on, take on this old world, but to me, you know you'll always be my little girl.
Giselle, you put us through hell, but we appreciate
We
this.
appreciate everything you did.
We love you so
everything.
much as a cousin.
It was hella hectic.
And a friend.
It was hella hectic.
Very stressful.
But you're a little cousin at the end of the
Made
day.
us waste a lot of money.
We love you, and this is your day.
So
Yes,
enjoy
yes,
it. Have a good day.
yes.
Yeah.
botellas para arriba. Siempre la móvil la tenemos prendida. Vamos a darle hasta que se haga de día. Sigo rulito que es la mía. Salió el